How to check for nearby Snapchat users. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can check for nearby Snapchat users. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to check or find for Snapchat users that are nearby, there are a couple of ways to find so. The first is that make sure you have your location or GPS enabled on your phone. Then when you've done that, you'll find this type of interface. Now just go to this maps icon from the bottom left. This is called Snap Map. Now as long as your friends also has the Snap Map or enabled, right, then in that case only you will be able to find them. So you can see some of the friends that are nearby, some of the events that are happening or anything like that, and you will be able to find them if they're in a friends list with you. By the way, if you're not in the friends list, then you don't know who's where. You can try to look for a couple of people in this case. So that is all for this video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.